Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to stabilize video in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut. Okay, now just select the video. Go over here on basic, scroll down a little bit and here, there's this option stabilize. First of all, see the video before stabilization. Now, I'm going to add this stabilize effect. Let's see how it will go. Now you can see the result after stabilization. So that's it for the video. That's how you can stabilize video on CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.